My dearest child, it's time to take a massive step towards your dreams. The universe is currently opening a door for you to walk through. Let go of unwanted thoughts and energies that are holding you back from being the person you are meant to grow into. This window of opportunity is only for a limited amount of time. Take a chance on yourself and jump through it. How your journey flows depends on your willingness to positively welcome change. Trust the timing of your chapters. Embrace the pauses that led you to self-reflect and the moments that forced you to take action. Don't hesitate to start this second. Your period of ascension begins now. Type yes to affirm. Also subscribe.